Hi there, students. Parlance. Parlance. Um, an uncountable noun. Could it be countable? I suppose so, but not usually. Let's see. Parlance is a way of speaking used by a particular group of people. Yeah, very often you say in diplomatic parlance or in sporting parlance or in business parlance. So in business parlance, this is a win-win deal. Okay, so in business parlance, the way that they say this is normally used in business. Yeah, it's a manner of speech. Yeah, in business idiom. Yeah, the the politician was, in journalist parlance, tired and emotional, drunk. Okay, so in newspaper parlance, in the way that they talk in newspapers. So parlance, this is a group of words or a speaking style used by a particular group of people. Yeah. So a doctor would say a contraceptive, but in common parlance, the pill. Yeah. Okay. So parlance, a way of speaking. Yeah. The defendant. Yeah. In legal parlance, or the plaintiff is legal parlance for the person prosecuting. Okay, so parlance, it's a particular way of speaking, especially when it's specialized. Yes, in political parlance, in political jargon, they call this I don't know, well, a whatever. Yeah, that would be in political parlance. Okay, so parlance, it's the way that you speak, a certain way of speaking, that it's associated with a particular job or a particular interest. So the present perfect progressive, to use English teacher parlance. Yeah, the way English teachers use. I think parlance is saying jargon. Yeah, the way that they normally speak. Yeah. And you know that different groups of people, they use different words, they speak in different ways. Yeah, each profession, each group of people have their own parlance. Yeah. So yeah, I parked the jam jar outside in Cockney parlance. Jam jar, car, Cockney parlance, the way a Cockney would say it in Cockney rhyming slang. And this effectively is the idea of parlance, using the idiom, or the specialized idiom of a group of a group of people. Yeah. Yeah, he is in common parlance a twat. Yeah, an idiot. Okay, so parlance, language, talk, speak, jargon, lingo, phraseology, manner of speaking. Yeah, that's the idea of it. Okay, parlance, formality. That's probably quite a difficult one. Let's see. I think probably I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, although I think you can use it anywhere. You could use it informally, and use it really quite formally as well. I think use this word parlance anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from French, parler, to speak. From Latin, parabola, meaning a way of talking, a comparison. Yeah, so parabola in Latin, a comparison, comparing it to something else. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now, as in I Swear English parlance.